Hello guys, in this video I want to introduce you about string concatenation in Python. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share so that I will be more enthusiastic in making other interesting videos. The most important thing to concatenate or combine two strings, you can use the plus operator. For example, x equals hello, y equals world. Z equals x plus y. You can type print Z. So the result is hello world. To add a space between them, add a double quotes, space, double quotes. For example, x equals hello, y equals world. Now type z equals x plus double quotes space double quotes plus y, print z. That's all guys from me. Hopefully this video is useful and see you in the next video.